everyone, Penny here from the Junk Journal Ministry, and that's just Penny. And today I'm showing you the template for fake book corners. It is in the hands of my design team and my sisters club right now, so they can work with it and play with it and hopefully share some projects with it. But I just wanted to show you how to put these together. You're just going to cut them out. Now these are not perfect, I'm going to tell you. These are not perfect. You want to print these out as is. Do not enlarge or decrease if you have, because they might be off when you go put them on your corners, okay? Like I said, these are not perfect. These, I designed this from public domain book cover. It was a vintage book cover, and it had these corners on it. And I designed the template myself. Took me a little bit to get to where I needed to go, to get it to look where it needed to go. You're going to need to cut out one of these little, what you want to call these little teepee looking ones here. Triangle here. You will need, to distress these. Color of your choice. I picked this color because I'm working on Noah's journal. So, okay, this piece we're just going, the triangle, we're just going to distress. We're not going to do anything other than distress it. Now, like I said, these are not perfect, so don't expect them to be, because I have a little corner. See that little corner? It's a little white on it. I'm just going to do that, and it's totally gone. Okay, so, yeah. So, no worries about the white. That's going to happen because, like I said, it's not perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, you notice there's like a little tan line on each side. That's your edge. So you're going to fold it here and then fold it again. So it's going to be a fold, fold. Okay, and then over here, you see this little line? That's the spine, you could say. And then you'll fold and fold. So this is the smallest. I have more templates for larger little edges, I guess you could say. Okay, I do have them. You could also score this, make the lines straighter, or you could just stick it on your book corner, your corner of your book, your journal, and go from there. But I'm just gonna just lightly press these. Now there will need to be some adjustments because obviously, I can't make one super perfect for everybody's journal, so you just kind of have to fold those on the line there. Now I'm going to gather a journal. I'm working on it as well with my soul. This is a journal that I'm working on, as you guys have probably saw in previous videos. I've got to finish this video up, but I am going to get this way here. Pull this out. Got my corner there, right? See my corner? So I'm going to put this, of course this has a pocket, so this is not going to line it up. Now in the back, there may be, it depends upon, your journal and your spine. You get what I'm saying? I mean your spine, sorry. Your journal, how thick your board is. You know what I'm saying? So this is a small one. This is a small template. I have more, but this is a cereal box, so that just about, oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So you're going to put these together in the back, okay? You're going to put a little drop of glue there, right, to hold that corner down. And then these are adjustable. That's why I made them this way, so you can adjust them to your board. So this is, the small one will fit a cereal board. Or I think this is, yeah, this may be some type of cereal or Lego box, Eggo box, something like that. And then I'm going to put glue the back on. Now the back may need to be trimmed a little bit because, like I said, we adjusted it. It's adjustable, so you may have to trim the back piece off just a tiny bit because it is, like I said, the adjustable piece in the front. So the back might need to have to be adjusted, just trimmed off a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'm just going to line it up to point here, because I want to make sure that I cover this up here. I want to make sure it's straight. And then you just glue that on the back. And then you have your corner, your fake corner. It will need to be trimmed a little, like I said, because, see that? It will need to be trimmed just a tiny bit. Because, like I said, every book corner is different. Every corner of a book, well, not, you know, is different. So I am just going to mark with a pencil where I need to trim this. You can glue and trim if you want. You can glue it down and then trim. Depends on what you want to do. But there you go. That's how you can make your fake book corners. And of course, I didn't glue mine. You know. Didn't glue it. Now, some people like their book corners to meet at the top. You just push it up and have that nice little end. See that? Some people like their book corners to actually show the tip of their book. It just depends on what you like. So it's an adjustable fake book corner. And you could add, if you wanted to add like little golden brads, you could. Okay, guys, so I hope you understood that. I hope you get to play with the printable. And if you create with these, please tag me, message me, send me a photo link, send me a photo or a video link, and let me know that you're using the kits. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day.